Hello guys, my name is Naomi and today I'm going to show you my process for my wash and go to go from wet to these beautiful curls. I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. I go straight down the middle and across. I struggled when I was little. My hair would not grow past my shoulders. Like, it was super short and I was always jealous of the other girls with straight hair. Fortunately, after my early teens, that's when my hair started to grow, but still I wasn't very comfortable with it. Especially growing up in Mexico, nobody had this kind of hair and I couldn't identify with anyone, and the beauty standard was straight hair. When I went to college, I went into a modeling contest, and for the makeover, when they took my hair down and they saw that it was curly like this, the stylist said, "You're going to compete with your hair natural." And I was so scared, like I almost started crying. They pushed me, and I'm very thankful because after they did that, they did like super deep conditioning and my curls were beautiful, I had never seen them like that. I love being able to just be myself and not having to hide it anymore. It's very important that my hair is completely wet so the products stick. My first tip for styling is to go from the heaviest product to the lightest. So I go from cream to gel to oil. So it took a lot of trial and error to figure out what my routine would be for my wash and goes. First, you have to understand your curls. You have to learn how to listen to your hair. Second, I know that I need a lot of deep conditioner and products that are very rich and thick. And third, I realized that my hair dries so quickly that I do not have the time to come out of the shower and put the products out. When I finish applying my products, what I like to do is bring in all the sections together, and I like to use my fingers again to erase all the parting that I did on my hair so all the hair comes together and it dries very nice. I love my curls so much because I think they are a real expression of my personality. I didn't always love them, but I grew up and now I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm Naomi, and for more videos like this, watch With My Hair.